Kyle just walked up to me and gave me a piece of paper. How are you?
Hello.
Man, Kyle, you wrote me such a good note. I'm so happy.
It's got one line on it.
Was it? Yeah. Were you doing some drawing?
I was supposed to.
Yeah.
But now we're going riding instead because I don't want to do my
real job.
Real job.
Dude, let's see the new rig.
Oh, new whip.
You and Garrett are so cute now.
I might actually not have to spend like $150 a day on gas.
A day, yeah, yes. Dude, this thing's, is it 5-speed?
Nah. It's,
oh.
I thought it was.
Dang.
Like, seat's not ripped and
It works, dude. Yeah. You got a nice back seat, full back seats.
That's where the subs go.
Dude, this is what you need for like daily adventures. Kyle, you want to explain what we're doing today?
We are going with the Cody Cheney and Miller, whatever the f your last name is.
Whoa, what do you do? Let me through.
Get in. And we're taking X3s to go ride some urban trails.
Yeah, we're gonna go get my X3, right? All right, guys, we went to McDonald's, so everything today is gonna be Mickified. Did you take good care of my Jeep while I was gone? Oh, guys, I've been gone for like 2 weeks.
I lost your keys.
You did?
No, seriously, I kind of looked for him and I couldn't find him. This dude gets to my house. I live out in the middle of nowhere. He gets to my house and he get out of his truck. He freaking lock his truck, take his keys with him, put his parking brake on. Like somebody's gonna come steal it. Where's my straw? Can't get it in.
Sounds like a personal issue, bud. Do you play Foursquare?
We're playing Foursquare.
Since like elementary school.
Okay, good. Do I have it at Foursquare?
No. What is that?
Trailer tire. Trailer tire's out.
Truck tire.
Is it?
Oh, you're my big chicken!
Kyle, why don't you just get new shit so it doesn't break?
We've got a jack and impact gun and no tire. McChuck!
At least we have time to eat now. What a good day it's gonna be.
Can you get my spare tire for my truck and bring it to me? That's McBald. That looks good to me. You'll have that on them big jobs. Oh, my McBurger fell.
It might be savable. How's it look, Kyle? Yeah? It wouldn't be a vlog without Kyle destroying something.
I got a flat tire yesterday too.
Kyle, I think we can put it back on. It's inside out, but it might help it.
Inside out.
It's inside out somehow, but it might help. Just got to Richard's house. Richard, I love your truck, dude. I want to show you Cody's X3 over here. He just got it the other day. Many of you guys know Cody. Used to ride dirt bikes, used to ride with them on the 4-wheelers back when I worked with Braden. Look at his X3 he just got. It's clean. So he's got a bunch of CT Raceworks kind of stuff on it right now. I got some 33s, it looks like, I think. With some bead locks, gotta have the 32s, sorry. You know, the flat doors, got the race seats with the race harnesses, got the rear cage on it. This thing looks so cool. So I'm gonna be riding with him for a little while till our boy Fabian comes down. Then we're gonna be hopping in with Mr. Mustache. So let's get to the crazy antics that I know you guys are ready for. Who this cutie be? What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
You ready to ride?
I guess. I'm not really wearing warm clothes, dude. It's cold.
It's a little warmer over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're going
right now.
We're going to Mexico, don't you know that?
Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico City.
Bro.
It's like a quick ride from here.
I didn't bring my passport.
Oh, you don't need that. All right, hey, I'm gonna hop in with you, all right? I gotta grab my bag from there.
Okay.
But I'll meet you up there.
What in the heck? Sounds nice, very nice. Why did you not put bush in there?
Well, it's not a bush. There's like a foam pad that they put.
Oh, what was that?
I just got taken out.
Oh, the tree's fighting back.
How do you have
What's up, you guys?
They wanted to leave y'all. I wouldn't let it happen. If it hits us in the face, we know it's on.
Rip the GoPro. That's Mexico right there. That's the border.
There's the border?
Yeah.
No, that's the U.S.
Yeah.
We're in Mexico.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh my God.
That's the United States right there.
People always ask, what's the border wall look like? There it is.
That is. It's just a guardrail and a. All right, don't make us flip. All right.
All right. Alright, we're headed to the drag strip now? Hey Miller.
Yeah.
I got you something.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna.
That's for you.
That's for me?
Yes.
Thanks, Fabian. We're heading to a drag strip now. Hill climbs was cool. Well, GoPro's done for the day. Maybe. We don't know yet. Heading to drag strip now. Fabian, your machine's not on, bud?
I'm just kidding.
Sure. Let's get it.
Okay, I walked in looking like a whole damn leg. So much money on me, so you can hold my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen down a bit. They love to hate, but they don't know how much work we put in. Okay, I pull up. Don't know why they think they know us. Used to hate, now they say that boy kept on blow. Money ain't gon' change us. Never been a lame, and I'm still with the game. Every time I walk through, I got game behind me. And I don't let it talk, boo. You know where to find me. And it be like the top, boo. I'ma get him knocked down. I'm tryna call me a good GH, I get hard down. Fuck the time to do it. Never been a lame, and I'm still with the game.
Dude, there's no way. There's no way. I'm telling you.
Huh?
I'm telling you, there's no way. We might. Yeah, we got it. Just let go. I'd go. Got it! We almost died. You got it, bud. Dude, we gassed it to save it right there, 100%. Here, I'm gonna get out and get a clip. Did you see that shit?
I did, but y'all like, whoa.
Well, this will be fun.
That's what they all say. Nice! Let's go!
I don't have 4-wheel drive.
You only have 2-wheel drive? 3-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Kyle,
I had to do it a second time because you missed it the first time.
Yeah, because we almost got plowed by a Charger. Yeah.
Well, you should have told them to stop. We were filming purposes.
Let me show you this.
That's a cool spot right there.
It's a sketchy spot with a lot of buses. All right.
Sorry, I didn't check the bus schedule.
So you got this right here. This is the first time. I was like, oh, he's just gonna go up on the wall. Well, Fabian starts to go up there. I'm like, no, wait, let me just get the clip.
That was such a wimpy hit.
That was. It was really wimpy.
It's hard, like.
So like that was like lame. I'm like, oh my God. And then you're like sliding out for the bus.
Hey, will y'all call my phone? I got it or not?
Pepsi Cola, please. Did you know Dr. Pepper is just root beer and Pepsi combined? Or Coke combined? Yes. Apparently,
No.
We gotta try it. We gotta try it for the video.
No.
So next time,
It's too cold for that shit.
little Pepsi Cola action there.
I'm not tipping the bartender.
Crit, you want anything?
You're gonna get iced.
I'm
Oh, man, I thought he meant like Smirnoff Ice. Sorry.
Yeah. This is really cold Pepsi. I kinda like it.
Who told you that Coke and root beer make
I
Coke
saw it on
better?
TikTok.
I hate the way you hold it.
Oh,
You
you
think
wanna sip?
TikTok's Google now?
Dude, we gotta do factor cap.
No.
But yeah, this used to be a drag strip is what they're telling me. Look at this place. It's like actually pretty sick. What year do you think they had this as a drag strip?
Hey, you want to go ride at McDonald's?
That sounds good.
How far from McDonald's?
Really far. I guess we're going to McDonald's now. That's the mission.
Oh, Bill, I forgot you don't have goggles.
That's why we go slow. Yep, but why is your tire turn on that side?
I mean, there's still got room to go. But my steering wheel's turning. Is it broke?
What?
Is something broke? The Sega continues.
Dude, get upgraded. You're going to CT right now.
Solid.
You caught that right there where you were kind of turning right a little bit and it kind of just grabbed it. Oh yeah, a little bit. Little. All right, dude.
Later.
Cheers.
Later, losers.
He's just leaving us to fend for ourselves against the coyotes.
Hey, is this what Naked and Afraid is?
Yeah, they just drop
They
you
just
off
drop
on the next
you
one.
off.
Should we walk back to the X3? I feel like we
I
need
think
a
I'm
man
gonna do that.
All right. Hi, Kyle. Hope to see you soon. Probably not, though. Day one, still fairly warm outside, about 69 degrees. It's gonna be a long 45 days because Kyle said it's gonna take him a while.
It's day 4.
Since Kyle left us, Miller said he was going to run to see if he could find any more Dr. Peppers. I found a Mountain Dew. It's gotten a little cooler, so we're going to have to start a fire soon.
Day 9 now. It's getting a little colder outside. Fabian said they're coming back, but I don't think they're coming back at all. I think we're done for. I just finished my Dr. Pepper. Getting a little hungry now. We gotta struggle through it.
It's day 17 since Kyle left us. I think Miller's losing it. He keeps saying they're not coming back for us. I think they're coming back. These things take time. Yeah, I think Miller's just going crazy. I hope Kyle makes it back soon. It's gotten real cold around here.
I don't know if I can take it anymore. It's so cold. We're so cold.
I don't even know what day it is anymore. I'm hearing things, I'm seeing things. Forget about us? Or did he just not want us back? Dude, I'm starting to miss my family. I don't know what day it is, how long it's been.
Kyle!
He's here! How long has it been?
Dude, it's been at least 3 years. Your mustache has grown out a lot.
I got a mustache.
Kyle! Dude, that was so scary, dude. We didn't think you were coming back, man.
We almost got buried on the mud trail. I went out to the road and the one trail I knew the quick way out was blocked, so I had to take the mud trail. Don't know how I didn't get stuck. Rode all the way down the road. This thing dog walks terribly now.
Yep.
Made a new friend.
It shouldn't be that straight.
He had a cute
No,
dog.
it's only a little bit of that. Did I leave that?
How are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, we had
What
to
are you
stop to
doing?
Get her more clothes.
Gee.
While we're dying.
We dying. It looks good. We're back in business and we're about to head back. So it's only right now that I spot for Fabian because I know he's gonna do the same shit over again. So hopefully with my help, it won't happen. All right, Fabiano, come on down. I'm spotting for you. All right, straight, left a little bit, left. You're gonna tip over. Go left. All right, this way a little bit. Straight.
So he's driving through this whole trail.
All right, whoa. Straight. Oh my God, that's deep. Straight. Come on, buddy. Nice, keep going. There it is. We got you home safe, bud. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're chilling by the fire now. I had a great day, so let me know if you like the style of this video. If you would, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment to reply to. I'll reply to everybody in the comment if you don't say first. I hope everybody has a good week. Don't know if I'm going to be uploading on Thursday. I don't know if I can get another video out in time before Florida, because this week is the big Florida trip down to Cletus's and all of that. So I don't think I'll have a Thursday video this week, but I might have something next Tuesday, and then I'm taking it off for Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a great holiday. If you don't see me before Thanksgiving, I'll catch you guys next week.